Max,
Hmm?
you can send me a 2 bills credit.
You can give me something.
Which I want for you 2 bills credit. Show me beg you to look at 2 bills credit here. Come go on, so.
Then what? Me no beg you something? No something for something?
No, Max. No quit fico.
No quick for call. Tell me something. The woman them have a way for say. If you see them with them picnic, then say you can't get Anna without the calf. So this is my money. How you get my money without me? You know what, so?
It can't work, you know. If you pencil it out, you know, it can't work.
No. For who no? But on the side go. Mr. D, look for this now. If you meet a woman and she want picnic, first thing she tell you say, you can't get me without the picnic. Anna and calf go together. No, me and my money. And she want her money out. How she fi take my money alone and not take me? No, me have the money.
Me mean.
Let me take it 200 years.
I mean.
You see the trick?
Intervention funds.
Where's the Trevor?
Insufficient funds.
Oh.
And Trevor,
No,
that.
beg me money, beg me.
Alright, ready again.
No, not ready again. Beg you.
Beg me money.
Trevor, afraid to beg you.
What do you think of? Me and walk.
No, that's gentlemen.
You see state emergency like that when
Hey, no, gentlemen, learn something from Trevor.
State emergency like that job.
We too fool. You hear what Trevor say?
But you can't thief it.
No, but you hear what Trevor say? Trevor, gentleman.
No.
You understand? Eh?
State and emergency like that job. I
Exactly.
can't beg for the road again. So I have to thief.
So what about? So are you Rabash then?
You talking money.
Hey.
Are you Rabash how much million?
Hey, state emergency I pay TV so. You know big guy.
Look here, since state of emergency, me never see
Hey.
so much robbery yet.
No, but like how me and my money that I said, you don't want to say. Eh?
Come on, man.
Me a contractor, you know.
Come Max, come and pretend to me Arabic.
Eh?
Why?
My money? Well, no after my money, sir. Because me an old man. Eh?
Are you pension me?
One woman tell me say no, the only way she will marry to me, you see, I become me whole. And me soon dead. So me say, no problem because me a 1.5 cow. So she will get that. She said they put on the other half and the other cow. You understand what I say? Oh, so I want to stay to watch my money.
State of emergency, so SOE.
SOE.
The woman drop on we got come and tell
Max,
me.
I know
Hey,
you're not giving me the money.
No, you see, when me go ahead.
State of emergency.
You see, when me go ahead, Mr. Sir, you see, when me go ahead, I saw me a hold on by my money.
Come on, Max, man, serious up.
What? I bet it. Sparman.
Move.
Oh no, hold the money off me.
Do it.
Hold the money off me.
Babes.
Get money, man. Move.
All right.
Move.
Come here.
You want me now?
No, he no want no.
Money comes in.
Give me back my money. You want me now?
Let me tell you something.
You see, gentlemen? Yes, yeah? Eh? You hear she tell me say, should I married to me now?
Like,
Why?
I never that me tell you about you don't lie.
You see? And then she tell me, I'm married to why? You tell me no. I know, my money.
Come on, Max.
Inspire. You see? Look at her eye. Watch it now. Inspire.
No, Max, you can't do this. Money can't
Alright,
Max.
alright. It's
Come no man. Alright, me nah look.
alright, you know look. You say woman time? Jesus have mercy. Alright, you get the way I got it now.
Me go spend it. Me go buy furniture.
Same thing.
Me want one TV, me want Driva.
You can't go watch it.
You must be mad. A different man I come watch that.
You see it?
Young boy over here saying,
You done what?
so you get the money from him.
Yes, the way. You go mind him with it, you know.
You saw your face it is. She take my money for go mine a young boy.
Then you don't stop doing that.